You can connect Claude to Google Sheets to automate spreadsheet tasks such as summarization, categorization, and content generation. This integration is done using a third-party add-on and a Claude API key. This tutorial outlines the steps. What the process does, the add-on sends data from your spreadsheet to Claude using the API key. Claude processes the data based on your prompt and returns the result directly to your sheet. This allows you to automate repetitive tasks without manual intervention. Step 1. Install a Claude-compatible add-on. Open Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. Click Extensions, select Add-ons, and then choose Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, look for a Claude-compatible add-on. Popular options include Claude for Sheets and GPT for Sheets and Docs. Select the add-on you want to use and follow the installation steps. You may need to sign in with your Google account and approve a few permissions. Step 2. Generate a Claude API key. Open your browser and go to the Anthropic console. Sign into your account, navigate to the API key section, and generate a new API key. Copy the key to your clipboard. Step 3. Connect Claude to your spreadsheet. Return to Google Sheets and open the settings panel for the add-on you installed. Search for Anthropic in the list of AI models and paste your API key into the required field. Save the settings. This connects Claude to your spreadsheet. Step 4. Use Claude in your spreadsheet. You can now use the add-on sidebar or built-in formulas to interact with Claude. Reference the cells containing your data and provide a prompt. For example, you can ask Claude to write descriptions, summarize text, categorize feedback, clean data, or generate content automatically. Limitation: this integration requires a Claude API key, which may involve usage costs depending on your API plan. The add-on must be installed and configured correctly. This setup is best suited for users who want to automate data processing tasks in Google Sheets without manual copy.